Challenge 50, Week 1, Tools 1 to 10. Tool number 1 is the G-cramp. The G-cramp is used to hold wood in place whilst cutting or for assembly. Tool number 1 is the G-cramp. Tool number 2 is the tri-square. The tri-square is used to draw lines at 90 degrees to the edge of the wood. Tool number 2 is the tri-square. Tool number 3 is the belt sander. The belt sander is used to shape and finish wood. Tool number 3 is the belt sander. Tool number 4 is the cross-peen hammer. The cross-peen hammer is used to strike nails and centre punches. Tool number 4 is the cross-peen hammer. Tool number 5 is the coping saw. The coping saw is used to saw curved cuts in wood and plastic. Tool number 5 is the coping saw. Tool number 6 is the machine vise. The machine vise is used to secure material in place whilst machining. Tool number 6 is the machine vise. Tool number 7 is the pillar drill. The pillar drill is used to drill straight vertical holes using a variety of drill bits. Tool number 7 is the pillar drill. Tool number 8 is the marking gauge. The marking gauge is used to draw lines parallel to the edge of the wood. Tool number 8 is the marking gauge. Tool number 9 is the centre punch. The centre punch is used to mark hole positions. Tool number 9 is the centre punch. Finally for this week, tool number 10 is the tenon saw. The tenon saw is used to saw straight cuts in wood. Tool number 10 is the tenon saw.